Hello, today I would like to present BMA 2623 Automotive Design and Styling Semester 2 Session 2020-2021 ADS Final Project. My name is Wan Abdul Syukur bin Walase, MH19024. For the background, automotive design is the method of creating the appearance and to a few degrees the economy of motor vehicle, county automobile, motorcycle, truck, buses, coaches, and vans. Automotive design in this setting is fundamentally concerned with creating the visual appearance or aesthetic of the vehicle, in spite of the fact that it is additionally included within the creation of the item concept. In this project, I have been given a fun car theme for BMA 2623 Automotive Design and Styling subject. Semester 2 Session 2021 University Malaysia Pahang. For the problem statement, the most challenge of automotive design is to combine optimal design, aesthetic and ergonomic standard on one hand, whereas still assembly type approval control on the other hand, which are security direction. To guarantee a vehicle is aerodynamic, its exterior plan has got to incorporate a few fundamental shapes: curve, the shoulder, wedge, and etc. In this project, we are required to perform the final design of our concept car from the background, vehicle logo, vehicle specification, the final design, anti-brochure, and conclusion. Objective: to identify the background and problem statement of my concept car, to complete vehicle logo design and direction, to carry out vehicle specification and special features, to perform design pitching for exterior and interior, finalize design of my concept car, to achieve promotion and marketing for my concept car, and lastly, bring about the promotional brochure. For the scope, this venture included plan a car based on what the advertise require and give concept. To begin with the car plan, as that begin with the plan title and symbol. At the point, the venture is progressing to the conceptualizing session to come out with the car detailed car section. Another, the hash outline of the inside and outside of the concept car will be talked about with a few board to understanding what the focal point and drawback of the car to plan are. Secondly, what will be delivered by the assistant. The assistant will come out with the talk and plan of the following 10 a long time based on multitask concept. The key highlight of this assistant is able to reflect and anticipate what sort of car that will come in a few long time with the current or upcoming technologies that we need inquire about. 2. What client have to be fulfilled them based on the given concept is the most mission in this plan extent. For the literature view, car ventures require a committed master group of architect, engineer, organizer, and supervisor to control plan, cost, convenience, control, and client need. Customarily, the form of the creating a unused demonstrate will sequence from the plan organized until item dispatch. This approach is as well hazardous since once a issue happens it would be influenced the another arrange of the matter and would fall apart the whole program. Hence, companies are likely to apply inventive highlight to dodge the delay of the extent inside a stream of unused item and stage. And car programs start with conceptual organized whereby plan and comments produce concept amidst based on current advertisement and request. Ordinarily, usually the work of styling gather would change the current need and commerce viewpoint into a item concept outline. A ordinary car making prepared is outlined in figure. Vehicle logo. So I've chosen name of my brand that is Pacer. This name I have taken it from Google because the word is quite similar and related to speed. The intercept of related movement, and I think it's quite good to be my brand car. This is my brand logo. For the direction, step 1, I want the logo are not quite expanded because I need the logo look simple and nice. So I've choose the first and last letter from this brand name that is P and R. Step 2, I try to put the letters in a good position to form the logo. I need to flip the letter P to the left to make it easier. These two letters are included in this symbol. Next, step 3, I try to find a symbol for my brand. I found this is symbol come from the peso word. I try to put the letter P and R in the A symbol, and finalized logo is like this. Next is a vehicle specification. For the engine, I use type BC twin turbo BTG, transmission automatic manual hybrid, driveline all-wheel drive, power at RPM is 740 horsepower, max torque at RPM is 590 lb-ft. Displacement is 3.8 liters and number of cylinder is 6. This is VC engine, the lightest, most powerful, cleanest and most fuel efficient VC turbo engine that Infiniti has ever offered. The power output over 640 HP. Technical innovation enhanced reliability and performance. Compact layout feature new integrated exhaust manifold to be introduced is select new Infiniti model starting in 2016. Next is chassis. Multi-link suspension. A superior independent suspension system use several short links to attach a hook carrier to body, provide consistent handling and traction. Right and pinion steering. It converts the rotational motion of the steering wheel into the linear motion needed to turn the wheel. It provides a gear reduction, making it easier to turn the wheel. Ceramic composite grade. This high-performance material made from a special mixture of powders, resin and fibers in a complex manufacturing process. Wheel slim. Tires have less sidewall and show more of the wheel, which some drivers find to be more aesthetically pleasing by giving the vehicle a more aggressive look. Next is safety. For the active, dynamic stability control DSC. This helps the vehicle maintain stability even in situations such as when cornering on slippery road or when steering suddenly into a hazard. Anti-lock braking system ABS, which is designed to prevent you from locking up your brake or applying so much pressure to your brake that the axle and your wheel themselves stop turning completely. Electronic brake force distribution EBD, computerized technology that improves a vehicle's stability by detecting and reducing the loss of traction. Electronic traction control ETC, the conversion in which the driving or tractive force is obtained from electric motor. Cornering brake control (CBC) system which assists the driver during maneuvering a curve at high speed. And lastly is hazard light under braking. Brake warning due to hydraulic pressure has been lost in one side of the brake system or that the fluid level in the master cylinder is dangerously low. Next is for the passive safety. SRS airbags improve occupant protection in certain type of crash. Next is seatbelt. Safety device designed to secure the driver or passenger of a vehicle against harmful movement that may result during a collision or a sudden stop. For the exterior material, aluminium. The coating film is extremely thin and is generate when aluminium comes into contact with an oxidizing environment. This protective aluminium oxide layer helps protect the surface of the metal from corrosion. Next is headlamp, automatic front fog lamp. LED. Simple a semiconductor which emit light when current is passed through it. They only work with current flowing in one direction. Mine and the energy drawn from the battery and therefore the engine is less than halogen resonance. Next is outer rear view mirrors. I use electric adjustable, purpose of helping the driver see areas behind and to the side of the vehicle outside the driver peripheral vision. Next is height mount stop lamp. LED with camera. Safety brake lamp or high level brake lamp detect brake light help fellow drivers is in knowing when you hit the brake. Next is wipers. I use automatic wiper that light all beam blade work better than traditional bracket wipers in wind dry condition. Next is radiator grille. Dark chrome grating that admit cooling air to car radiator, usually propelled by an internal combustion engine. Next is door. Auto sensor. If you approach with your fork, the handle slide out in a legal way, inviting you to simply pull to open the door. For the interior, seats. Strongly desire a more luxurious look. Next is audio system. Perfection is sound, it transforms sound wave into unique sensitivity and music into an exclusive sound experience. Result is an unpredicted, rich and natural sound, even a high volume. And its accessory connectors. In automobile refers to the control bearing surface in the center of the front of the vehicle interior. Next is wireless charging port. Place your phone or compatible device like a smartwatch or earbud on the wireless charger. Next is special features. For the interior, augmented reality dashboard display important information that relate to driver, information like car speed, fuel level, etc. Next is biometric ignition switch, able to start car with the sound of their voice, facial recognition, or fingerprint. Next is multimedia glass. We can write down important note at the glass window. This feature belongs to working people who are always busy. And lastly is flexible seating airbag system. Seat mounted airbag system that provide cuckoo-like protection. For the exterior, special features is automated diagnosis. Enable vehicle to diagnose their own mechanical problems such like the engine, the scratch at the body, and etc. Next is the external airbag. Airbag that can deploy externally or in the outside of vehicle, prevent an accident from happening rather than responding after impact. For the design pitching, let's start with exterior. This is the sketching idea for my concept car, the full view for my concept car, and I sketched this with my own idea and a little bit refers to Google. Basically, my theme is fun car and my type of this car is scope to the concept car. I tried to sketch it and look quite sporty for me. For the aerodynamic feature, the body for this sketching is quite good. Entry at the front and to right and left side in terms of the movement of the wing for the aerodynamic features. Next, we go to front view of this car. The front bumper look neat and grip, make it look trendy, plus with big grille will make this front look fierce, just like BMW or Mercedes. For the fender, it is raised and large because I want to expand the body to show off the elegant features of this car. Next is this is the headlight of this car. Actually, this is the laser light. I sketched this headlight to look much smaller, thin and more efficient with laser light. Benefit for driver is this headlight will have the longest range provided by any current headlight technology. This offers the driver improved visibility, resulting in increased road traffic safety. Next is the external airbag for outside. This is the feature for airbag that can deploy externally or on the outside vehicle. This is to prevent an accident from happening rather than responding after impact. The external airbag are located inside the front bumper, left and right. After that, the side mirror view it's like this. I sketched it a bit long as you can see because I want to match this side mirror with the body and at the shaded below allocated signal for this car left and right. The side mirror have blind spot warning features, give driver a visual audible notification that a vehicle alongside the car in a blind spot. This is based on sensor device that detect all the vehicle located driver's side and rear. Warning can be visual audible by the at time. This is the view of this car. The shape of the door handle is quite nice, not too big and not too small for the door handle. The driver just need to swing their hand near the door. If the driver keep the key in pocket or near the car, and automatically it will open the door. This feature because of the car sensor detect and recognize the key near the car. Beside this, concept car has multimedia glass. The driver or passenger can write down important note in the glass window, transparent window. These features belong to working people who are busy with their work. Next is the front back. This is LED tail light. Sorry. This is the view of Spotlight. Actually, I sketched this Spotlight because I want to match it with the large fender and expanded body of the car and to make the Spotlight look genuine with the body kit. Has 5-bit steel alloy rim and come with automated diagnosis feature that can enable vehicle to diagnose their own mechanical problem about tire or rim, such as 18 tire or spot or crude spot rim. This is LED tail light. Actually, I name it a crack climber because it look like that. The first as normal backlight. The second is signal of the car. I sketched the shape like this to show the special features of an expensive car. Beside this LED taillight will provide higher visibility to car at night. Ensuring better safety in driving, beside at the bottom we can see the dual exhaust which has been drawn flat and directly connected to the bumper because need to cover a slightly larger bumper to look neat and not too fibrous. Next is lastly, for exterior is panoramic roof with expanded sunroof, panel or window produce less wind noise within the cabin so you want it later, plus it more cost effective than air conditioning. Owning a car with a panoramic sunroof, however, feel less claustrophobic when driving long distance. Next is allow for standard visual access above the passenger cabin. For the interior, this top view just have two seats and have another two seats at the back, but not so special because this front car actually belong to working people and coupe type, was catered just for driver and passenger. This car is not suitable for people who have family or people who want to carry a lot of passenger. As you can see, this interior part which is quite comfortable for two people. For the feature is as automated electric dashboard that can display important information directly to driver, such like car speed, fuel, the distance, and etc. Besides, this car comes with biometric ignition switch and able to start car with the sound of their voice, and facial recognition and fingerprint. Next is inner mirror feature. It can be display what time and has small camera can record the inside and outside car. Besides, have auto dimming mirror which can help prevent driver distract from bright light in the rear view mirror. The mirror shines light particularly from the headlight of a vehicle following behind. There is cast on the mirror. At the point, the glass will automatically darken to prevent glare from bothering the driver. This is particularly useful when the car behind has a bright light on. Lastly, for the interior is dual seat. The view from the side and front look like sport car. Seat come with protective car PVC leather which is so comfortable. Feel luxury for driver and passenger, has auto height adjustment, and the seat will be formed according to the position of the spine for comfort and safety driver and passenger. For the final design, I'm using Adobe Illustrator software to sketch all of this model view. For the front view, just like this. Side view. Next is back view. For the interior, view 1 is like this. This is view 2. And lastly, this is view 3. For the promotion and marketing, for the pricing, for this car, the best price for this model is between 400,000 to 500,000. This is because this car uses a VC engine and has variety of the latest feature coupled with the coupe design that uses two doors to show sporty and trendy features. I believe the price range is enough to depend livelihood of the people in this country because the target for this model is the working class or young entrepreneurs. Okay, for the promotional strategy, I have identified segment to target buyer using descriptive elements include demographic, psychographic, and geographic. For the demographic is a form of market segmentation involving dividing a market on the basis of descriptive element. Data provide person with a distinguishable way to measure value of a market, estimating the market size and the media to use to reach the market segment. Demographic segmentation is based primarily on income, age, gender, education, occupation, and social class. For example, targeting a younger audience and female. For psychographic, use psychology to increase understanding of consumers' want and need. Person use a psychology examination approach in divided the segment based on behavioral element, such as psychology, lifestyle, personality trait, and values to gain deeper insight of the consumer. The same demographic can possess different behavioral elements, customizing message to specific psychographic profile like the Top Gun, the elitist, the patron, the bon vivant, and the fantasies. Lastly, for the geographic, Pesta use a traditional geographic segmentation approach, grouping market based on countries, continent, regions, states, similar to other worldwide automotive brands. Pesta is a brand with dealership located on every continent in major cities. For design and brochure, this is view 1, this is a view 2, this is the view 3, and lastly, this is view 4 for the design and brochure. For the conclusion, cars are very confusing with many parts mechanical and electrical. There are new type of car being invented every day like the electric car and hybrid. Someday car will be powered by petrol icon. Not many people take time to learn about cars, but are enjoyable concepts that have been learning for over 130 years. Thank you.